In this video, we are going to see how to swap two variables using the third variable first, and then how to swap two variables without using the third variable. So first of all, here we need to declare two variables. One is for the first numbers, B is for the second number, and C is for the swapping one. Actually, this C is the temporary variable with the help of which we are going to swap these two. So first of all, enter two numbers. So here we have entered two numbers, and now I am going to display two numbers before the swapping was done. So here these two numbers I am going to display. You just see that these two numbers we have entered. So and now I am going to swap these two. So after the swapping also we need to display these two. And here swapping will be done with the help of the third variable. So that is C is equals to A is equals to B, and B is equals to C. This is what I have done. So children, what is happening here? Suppose initial value of A is 12, which I have entered here. Initial value of A is 12 and initial value of B is 13. So what is happening? I am just storing the value of A in this variable C. And now I am storing the value of B in variable A, and now again I am going to use this variable C. Now initially A was 12. Now when we are storing this A's value in C, and we assume that now A has become vacant. Now the value of B we are storing in A, and finally when this B is vacant, so we are storing the value of C in variable B with the help of the third variable. So now just go through this. Here just remove these two. Now you see that initial value of A was 12, now it is 13. Initial value of B was 13, now it is 12. So this is how we have done the swapping with the help of the third variable. Now here after that I would like to swap these two without using the third variable. So without using the third variable, what to do? A is equals to A plus B, B is equals to A minus B, and A is equals to A minus B. These are the three statements which are needed in order to swap. So first of all, what to do? Suppose the value of A was 12 and here B was 13. Now what happened? What will happen? Here it is 25. And then after this, what will happen here? 25 minus 13 will happen. Now this B is storing the value 12. And after that, 25 minus 12 will happen. It means this A will receive 13. So which is the swapping without the third variable. So children, this is what we have done. Now check that whether it is working or not. So just go through this. Initially 12 and then 13. You see that we have done the swapping. So initially A is 12, B is 13, and after swapping it is 13 and 12, and then again after swapping the values are interchanged. So now finally A is 12 and B is 13. So this is what, using this these two arithmetic operators plus and minus, but we can use asterisk also here. Then also swapping will happen in case of integers. So see that. Now see that again it is swapping which is done. So I hope you people have understood this. So swapping using arithmetic operators is possible. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.